Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your very first time in my channel, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video. Today I'm preparing pigeon peas with coconut milk, and here are our ingredients. We have carrots, we have capsicum, pepper, onions, we have coconut milk, we have our pigeon peas which I boiled, and salt, and also ginger. So let's get straight into the cooking. So start by adding your onions, capsicum and carrots, then let them turn golden brown. After it's already golden brown, you can now add your smashed garlic and ginger, and after that you can now add your pigeon peas. After adding your pigeon peas, you can now add salt your favorable amount, then stir for a while. Then after that you can now add your coconut milk. After adding your coconut milk, keep stirring till it starts boiling. So when it starts boiling, leave it in the jiko for about 5 minutes, then you can now remove it. And here's our pigeon peas with coconut milk. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comment. Till next time, bye.